Create a 2-minute cinematic documentary video about the great white shark, Carcharodon carcharias. Begin underwater, showing its powerful silhouette approaching through blue ocean water. Include dramatic slow-motion shots of hunting behavior, breaching, and swimming near seals. Add overlays with key facts. Up to 6 meters long, over 300 sharp teeth, can detect blood from miles away. Use intense ocean sounds and suspenseful music. End with the message, "Great white shark, the apex predator of the sea."